Class 9th Maths Chapter 10 Exercise 10.5 Question number 6. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonal intersect at point E. Angle DBC is equals to 70 degree. Angle BAC is equals to 30 degree. Find angle BCD. Further, if AB is equals to BC, find angle ECD. For chord CD, angle CBD is equals to angle CAD. Angles in a same segment of circle are equal. Angle CBD is equals to angle CAD. Angle in a same segment. So value of angle CAD is also 70 degree. Now angle BAD is equals to angle BAC plus angle CAD. So value of angle BAC is 30 degree plus value of angle CAD is 70. So angle BAD is 100 degree. Now as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle BCD plus angle BAD is equals to 180 degree, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Now write angle BCD as it is plus value of angle BAD is 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. So value of angle BCD is equals to 180 minus 100 is equals to 80 degree. Further, if AB is equals to BC, now in triangle ABC, if AB is equals to BC, we need to find the value of ECD. Now if AB is equals to BC, if in a triangle opposite sides are equal, then opposite angle also equal. So angle BAD is equals to angle BCA. So angle BCA is equals to angle CAB. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle BCA is also 30 degree. Now to find the value of ECD angle, angle BCD is equals to 80 degree we have find, and angle BCD is equals to angle BCA plus angle ECD is equals to 80 degree. So if value of angle BCA is 30 degree, so angle ECD is equals to 80 minus 30 degree is equals to 50 degree. So value of angle ECD is 50 degree and value of angle BCD is 80 degree. Question number 7. If diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameter of the circle through vertices of the quadrilateral, Prove that it is a rectangle. Let ABCD be a cyclic quadrilateral having diagonal BD and AC intersecting each other at point O. Now, angle BAD is equals to half of angle BOD. Angle BAD is equals to half of angle BOD. As we know, angle on a center is double the angle on a remaining part of the circle. So, half of angle BOD is making an angle of 180 degrees. So, half of 180 is equals to 90 degree. Now, as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. So, angle BCD plus angle BAD is equals to 180 degree, as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, write angle BCD as it is. Value of angle BAD we found is 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So, value of angle BCD is equals to 180 minus 90 is equals to 90 degree. Now, ADC, similarly ADC is equals to half of angle AOC. ADC is half of AOC. So, half of value of angle AOC is also 180 degree. So, is equals to 90 degree. Angle ADC is also 90 degree, and angle ADC plus angle ABC is equals to 180 degree, because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, value of angle ABC is equals to 180 minus angle ADC. Value of angle ADC is 90. So, value of angle ABC is also 90 degree. Hence, each interior angle is of 90 degree. We proved. So, if each interior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is of 90 degree, hence it is a rectangle. Question number 8. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. Let ABCD CD be a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. To prove ABCD are cyclic, draw AM perpendicular to CD and BN perpendicular to CD. Draw AM perpendicular to CD and BN perpendicular to CD. Now, in triangle AMD and triangle BNC. In triangle AMD and triangle BNC, AD is equals to BC. This is given as non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, angle AMD is equals to angle BNC, each 90 degree by construction, and AM is equals to BN. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. So triangle AMD is congruent to triangle BNC by RHS congruence rule. And by CPCT, angle ADC is equals to angle BCD by CPCT. Angle ADC is equals to BCD. Now angle BAD and angle ADC are on same side of transversal AD. Angle BAD and angle ADC. So angle BAD plus angle ADC is equals to 180 degree, as angles on a same side of transversal make supplementary angle. So angle BAD write as it is, plus in place of angle ADC we can write angle BCD, as we have proved that angle ADC is equals to angle BCD. We have already proved that. So in place of angle ADC write angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. So this equation shows that opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Question number 9. Two circles intersect at point B and C. Through B, two line segments ABD and PBQ are drawn to intersect the circles ADPQ respectively. Prove that angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. We need to prove that angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. Now for chords AP, join chord AP and DQ. Now join AP and DQ. Now for chord AP, angle PBA is equals to angle ACP. Angle PBA is equals to angle ACP. Angle in a same segment of a circle are equal. And angle DBQ is equals to angle QCD for chord DQ. DBQ is equals to angle QCD. Angles in a same segment are equal. Now line AB, D and PBQ are intersecting at point P, so angle PBA is equals to angle DBQ by vertically opposite angles. Angle PBA is equals to DBQ. So from equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, we can conclude that angle ACP is equals to angle QCD.